Hello everyone, my name is Sean. Welcome to my first day Python 101. Today I'm going to cover variable, statements, comments, and function. Alright, let's get started. So what is variable? So we use a variable that are a lot more accurate in their name to convey information about what you want, right? And some people are thinking variable easy, but good naming convention on the variables just help you a lot in the long run. So I'm gonna give you some example here. Right here, like you can see, I have some example here running in my pie chart. So you can use an A equal to 2, B equal to 4, A plus B equal to 6. But A and B doesn't tell you much information on it. But it was just, naming another one like apples equal to 3 and orange equal to 4. So apples plus orange equal to 7. So you know that number is actually number of apples and number of oranges, right? The 4. So this make your life much easier to read it in the future, right? When up to 1 year later, you want to look at your code that actually tell you something. Okay, so you can have as many variable as you want. You can name your variable whatever you want, but there's some restriction on it, right? So you can only use letter, numbers, and underscore, but you cannot begin a variable with the numbers. Those are restrictions. So if you just give you an example, like one apple, right, equal to 3, it gonna bomb you. You cannot do that, right? Only thing you can do is just maybe say number of apple equal to 3. See that's a valid one, right? So this is the good variable. All right, next we'll go over statements, right? When you write a code in Python, it is organized into statements, where each statement is a single instruction to Python. Right, so let me show you that here. Right, so the same example here, right? This apple equal to 3, orange equal to 4, apples plus orange. Those are 3 statements in here. Statement is generally a line of code. In each line of code we have seen so far is a single statement right here. Those are all single statement. Right? So each statement actually is an individual instruction to Python what you want to do on each steps, right? Okay. Next is comments. So comments is in Python a way of telling yourself and other developer when the code is supposed to do and interpreters in Python complete skip over the comments. So comment is really helpful for documenting in your codes. So right here, they see here. I'm just I already have something about. I'm just typing. This is great example, right? See, this is actually did nothing. Actually, do nothing to Python. It's actually for your own purpose, your own note to for yourself to keep track. Right? Commands are used to document explaining what the code is doing. Python ignore comment because they aren't statements, so they are not statement. Comment begin with a pound sign, so you can see the pound sign in the front. That's actually the comments. All right. Next is function. Function are very important. Function is a very important part of the of any programming language, including Python. It's just like variable function have name. However, functions are called by passing parameters after the name to indicate that function should be executed, not just referred to by name. A function can take a number of arguments if they call, which are the value that modify how the function work, right? Yeah, right. Let me just give you example here, right here, right? See, there's a so a function tell the computer to do a specific things. Every function does a different thing, right? So right here, you see that this function with dependency, you can put one in there. That means tell them, okay, just pin me the one. So this is one. But sometimes you say, okay, I am a different user. I probably want to do 200. So actually pin 200, right? Right, function, which is many function take arguments, right? Information that function use to do particular thing. um, so it's simple, you can write your own function. So in the future I'm going to show you more of this example, like how to write a function to fit what your own purpose. But for now, I'm going to hold it in the future. All right. Well, thank you for watching.